All right, this is homework number 2, which we were not successful with because
We were not.
our code, we just couldn't figure it out. So this was the code we had, and what it did, it gave us some double blinks. Da-da,
Yeah.
da-da, da-da. Actually, maybe we should try and see if we can get triple blinks, Aaron. It's just for fun. Let's just try a triple blink. So we're gonna, oops. Let's copy. Let's see what it looks with a triple blink. Copy, and then we're gonna paste, and then we're gonna run this. Run. Let's see here.
Compiling.
So this is the double blinks so far. Da-da.
Wait, what's that?
It's running. It's running. Let's see if it gets triple blinks. Ah, da-da, da, da-da, da, da-da, da, da-da, da. Aaron, this is almost... Almost. This is not bad.
Can we try again? Another?
1, 2, 1, 2. This is close. All right, let me pause this video. Okay, so we have the 3 slow beats done. 1, 1, 2, 3, da-da. But the quick beats, we only have 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we copied a lot of the code, and we weren't, let me see here. So we copied this short code up here to the bottom, and I'm gonna run it. Bam. And it's compiling. It's uploading. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get our SOS code. Done uploading. Let's see what's going on. I think we have it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Aaron, I think we have
it. Yes,
1,
we have it.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
we
3,
got it.
1, 2, 3. Yep.
And
so
I just finished
we
building my invention.
You did?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's supposed to give electricity to turn electrolyte, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's upload this homework and get to see what Mr. McWhorter did, if he did the same thing that we did. But essentially, this is our code where we basically just kind of copied and pasted repetitively the code on here. So let's see what Mr. McWhorter says.